Navy helicopters coming in. The Holland America ship is not leaving yet, but if you look way out here, you can see the helicopters. As they get closer, you'll be able to see them better. If I zoom in, it just doesn't focus, but after these people pass, let's see. Oh, you could see them right here. Welcome, M. Lopez. Welcome, welcome. If you're new here, I would love for you to give me a follow. I am located in San Diego, California. Today we are down at the harbor watching some cruise ships leave the dock. So we have seen the Norwegian Jade leave for a Mexican Riviera cruise. Amazing vacation. And there is one more ship called the Holland America New Amsterdam. She will be departing shortly, and we will watch her leave through the channel as well. And we see these beautiful military helicopters coming into Coronado Island. It is not an island, but everybody calls it that. Coronado Navy Base. Welcome, welcome. Tap the screen, send some likes. That will get me out to the FYP. And we're keeping an eye on the Holland America, or not Holland America, yes, Holland America New Amsterdam ship to see when she leaves the port so that we can watch her depart as well. There is an app called Cruise Mapper, and that is also a website that you can look at to check which ships are at which ports and what their itineraries are. How long they'll be at each port, how long they'll be at sea, where they're going on their adventure, all the things. And there we have the 3 helicopters landing safe and sound at Coronado Naval Air Station.